machine, we get a total of 90 balls, that is from 1 to 90. And as the machine is beautiful and transparent like this, the balls inside they arranged accordingly. And inside those 90 balls, they expect 5 lucky numbers this evening. So if you don't sleep, make you wake up, because as soon as they see this machine, so it is set to doing magic for this 90 million draw. Alright, I wish you now all the very best of luck. Make you enjoy the game. Congratulations to all of the episode and numbers. They are among the winning number this evening. But just in case your number don't come outside though, if you still get the machine number for your ticket, make you still look inside your ticket, because when I know say for inside Nigeria country without the machine number, our game never complete. So now we won't move on to the one where we call the machine number. So once again, I wish you the very best of luck. Make you enjoy the game. Alright, in no time the balls go dey mix, and the first number for the machine okay. Let's get number 85. Number 85. So that the second one get number 11. The third number down the road get number 33. Number 33. Alright, it's the fourth number. The first one we get from the machine this evening are number 85. We get number 11, number 33, number 51. We can't get number 30. Yes, now the 5 winning numbers and the 5 machine numbers that we get for inside this evening millions draw 90. So once again, big congratulations to all the winners this evening. Those of our numbers come out for winning number, and those of our numbers come out for the machine number. Big congratulations to all of you, and also those of you who participate for the game. We congratulate you too, because it's not easy. Yes, you never forget those ones too where their numbers no come out when we win for this millions draw. We the all are gonna continue to play, because now no say the Nigeria lottery game is a game of luck. Alright, yes, that's what we do. I'm here for inside Nigeria lottery. And again, we want to remind you now of our other game, what we call the 1 out of 36. That game is an instant winning game. We call it a sharp game, because as you play the game, you win your money sharply, no waste of time, no ojoro and no mago for inside that one. And also, in case you want to get information about all the games here for Nigeria lottery, as I talk to you, so the customer care line there for the screen. If you collect the number,